Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, now anyone of you quickly read the second paragraph. Sneha Parveen. Sneha Parveen. You unmute your device, Sneha.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Sneha Parveen.
Ma'am, yesterday we read the second paragraph.
Yes, so today we will just quickly have a review, or we will revise what we have read yesterday, and then we will start the new paragraph. Okay. So from Sneha Parveen, I'm not getting any reply. Farha Yasmin. Farha Yasmin, you unmute your device. Farha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you read the second paragraph. Second paragraph.
Ma'am, from it was.
Yes, it was when I looked up at a lifeboat.
It was when I looked up at a lifeboat on the bridge castle that I started to worry. The lifeboat was not hanging, staring down. It
Straight
was
down.
leaning straight down. It was leaning in from its davits.
Davids. Yes.
I turned and looked at my hands. My
Knuckles.
My
Knuckles.
knuckles were white. The thing was, I was not holding on so tightly because of the weather, but because otherwise I would fall in towards the ship. The ship was listing to port.
Listing to port. Then
To the other side, it was not a civil list, but enough to surprise me. When I looked overboard, the drop
sheer anymore.
was not there anymore. I could see the ship's great black side.
I could see the great black side. So here we can see that the boy whose name was Pi, he was not inside the ship, right? So he was somewhere in the deck area. Deck area means the open part of the ship that we can see that has just the railings as its boundary. So people can go there, they can enjoy the outer scenery and the outer scenic view they can enjoy. So that part is called deck, the open part. So the boy was standing exactly there, just holding the railings there, and he was not inside the ship. So what he suddenly observed or noticed that the lifeboats were being lowered for the from the bridge castles. So as I have told you yesterday, what does it mean? What is bridge castle? Tell me, any of you, anyone? Arijit or Shagni?
Watchtower of ship.
Okay, it's quite like watchtower. That means castle that was built to provide security, right? To
Ma'am,
the
a
people
castle that is built to provide security for crossing any water body.
Yes, for crossing any water body. So from the bridge castle, so the boy just looked at the bridge castle and he saw that the lifeboat was low. They were lowering the lifeboats. The lifeboat wasn't hanging straight down. So it was not. If it would hang straight down, that means they were not going to use it. But it was leaning. It was leaning from its davits. Davit means the cranes that are used to lower the lifeboats. Okay. So davit means cranes that are used to lower a lifeboat. Have you written this meaning of davit yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Every time.
So davit means the cranes used to lower the lifeboats. So from the davits, from those cranes, it was leaning. That means it was inclined by one side. Okay, it was not straight. It was leaning from the davit. I turned and looked at my hands. So when he saw the lifeboat, he started to worry that why the lifeboat, why the people in the bridge castle, they are lowering the lifeboat. because he knew that the lifeboats are used in case of emergencies. When when an accident is going to happen, if the ship is going to sink, only then lifeboats are sent from those bridge castles so that people could be protected or the lives of the passengers could be saved. So he knew that. So this is why whenever he saw that the boats were, the people from the bridge castles, they were lowering the lifeboats from the davits. So he started to worry. He started to panic. Suddenly he looked at his own hands. My knuckles were white. And what does this mean, knuckle? I also told you yesterday. Tell me again, knuckle means?
The gap of the hands.
No, the joint where the fingers are joined with our palm.
So palm.
The joints where the fingers or part
Ma'am,
where
can
the
you,
fingers are
ma'am, can
joined.
you tell the meaning of debit?
Debit, okay.
Cranes used for lowering the lifeboat.
Yes. Cranes used for
Used specially for
lowering lifeboats. Cranes used for lowering lifeboats.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now knuckles. Knuckles means parts where fingers are joined to the hand or palm. Parts where fingers are joined to the hand. That part is called knuckle. So suddenly he looked at his own hands and saw that his knuckles were white. Why the knuckles were white? Because they became too cold. So outside, in the deck, outside the ship, it was already very cold, and he also got worried, or he also got tensed or nervous. This is why also his hand became too cold that his knuckles became completely white. The thing was, I wasn't holding on so tightly because of the weather, because very strong wind was blowing outside. So he was not holding that rod or railing, whatever he was holding, he was not holding it very tightly. But because otherwise I would fall in towards the ship. So, but still he was holding it. He was not holding it so tightly, but still he was holding it somehow, so that he couldn't fall towards the ship. So he was holding by using that much pressure or energy that was enough to make him stand still there, so that he doesn't fall there. But he was not holding it too tightly. The ship was listing to port. Listing means lean over one side or leaning one side. So
Like
right,
inclined plane.
yes. Listing. Listing means lean over one side or leaning over one side. Okay. So the ship was leaning over one side. So it was continuously moving from side to side. It was leaning in one side. It wasn't a severe list. It was not a general leaning, but enough to surprise me. But it surprised him also, because he thought, then he saw the lifeboats were being lowered and the ship is also leaning unnaturally, or that was not normal, abnormally. When I looked overboard, the drop wasn't sheer anymore. Sheer means what? Sharp. So when he looked overboard, he looked inside. Then what did he what did he see? He couldn't see anything very sharp. I could see the sheep's great black side. What could he only see? He could see the great black side at the very you can see at the lower part of the sheeps. We all know these are generally black in color. So when
Yes.
he just looked, when he looked to the sea, towards the sea, he could see the black side of the sheep. So the sheep was leaning that much. Next, a shiver of cold went through me. Shiver of cold means, shivering means,
Ma'am, kapuni dia in Bengali.
yes, a feeling, a jerking. Okay, a jerking or a feeling of cold wind.
Vibration of body, vibration of body.
Yes, that generally happens. That generally happens
When
when
a
we
cold
become
air comes.
too much of nervous, when we become too nervous, or when we have fear of something.
Yes.
So then we generally
Like
think
this.
that a cold wind is passing by our
Yes.
ears. So exactly that thing, a cold shiver went through me. I decided it was a storm after all. Then he thought that definitely it is a storm. A storm is going to come, or it is a storm, because the ship was moving from side to side. It was leaning abnormally. This was not normal. So then what did he do? Time to return to safety. So then he decided that he will not stay in the deck now. So he will go to the inside part of the ship. He will go inside. Time to return to safety, where he will be safe. I let go hot-footed it to the wall, moved over and pulled open the door. Then he just stopped overthinking and hot-footed. Hot-footed means what? Hot-footed means walk or run quickly. So, right, this word is also given in bold here. Right, hot-footed means walk or run quickly.
Bangalore
So he
city.
quickly ran inside the ship. So he was on the deck. Then he suddenly experienced something abnormal, that the ship was leaning very abnormally, and he could also feel the wind that was very fast blowing wind, that was very cold also. He could see that from the watchtower or from the bridge castle, the lifeboats were they were lowering the lifeboats. All these things, they when he saw, he thought that this is going to be a great storm. So he decided
Hi,
to
ma'am,
go
can-
inside the ship. He decided
Hello,
to
ma'am.
go inside the ship where he will be safe. Yes, Arijit?
Hello, ma'am. Can you
Yes.
write that meaning? Hot-footed.
Yes, I have just written now.
Where has-
Hot-footed means
Yes, ma'am.
walk or run quickly.
Yes, ma'am, you are reading.
Walk or run quickly. Then he quickly ran towards the rooms, or towards the inside part of the ship. Then he pulled open the door.
Something is coming.
Yourself.
He just opened the door and went inside. Now, what was the condition or situation? What was the picture of the inside part of the ship? This was what all what were going outside the ship. Now, when he opened the door and looked inside the ship, there were noises. Too much of noises were there. People were shouting. They were moving very fast from here and there, from one place to another. Deep structural groans. Now, what does groan means? Sound of deep pain. So, right?
What?
So when people suffer a lot, when people are generally worried or they have a fear of something, so they shout out of the pain, right? They shout. That
Yes,
shout,
ma'am.
that noise or that sound of deep pain, that is called the groan. So when he looked inside the ship, when he opened the door and looked inside the ship, he could see the
There
chaos.
was
He could
people are
hear the
noise.
noises. He could see the chaos, and he could see that people were running
People
from
are
one place to
running from-
another. He could listen to the sound of deep pain that was coming from the inside part of the ship. I stumbled and fell. What does this word mean? Stumbled? Stumbled means almost fall or lost balance. So stumbled means,
Lost
right?
balance. Yes, ma'am.
Stumbled.
That is completed.
Means lost balance.
Stumble means lost balance.
Or almost fall.
Ma'am, wait.
So just think about the situation when outside he thought that everything is very abnormal. The lifeboats, people are sending lifeboats. He saw that the ship is moving very abnormally. It is leaning one side to another. Then he got frightened and he thought a bad storm is coming. He wanted to be safe. He wanted to go to the inside part of the ship. And when he opened the door, he saw that there was chaos, there was noises, people were shouting, they were shouting in pain, and they were running here and there. They were moving very fast. And then he got much more nervous, and then he lost balance, stumbled. That means he lost balance and he fall on the floor. Okay. So just mark up to this sentence. Sorry. So mark up to this. Tomorrow we will complete this this novel extract. Okay, this much. Tomorrow we will read this much and we will complete this. Okay, write the word meanings that I am telling you. These are also very important. You must know that the words that are new to you, you must know the meanings. Write the meanings, or any word that if you can't understand the meaning, if you don't know it, you just whenever you are reading it, you just note it down, and in the next class you can ask me. I will tell you the meaning. Okay, so
Yes.
that's it for